So now we're going to be looking at pounds, ounces, and tons. By the way, LBS is the same thing as pounds. Don't ask me why, but that's the same thing. So we're looking at three things now: pounds, ounces, and tons. These are types of weight. An ounce is about how heavy this is. This is actually probably about 2 ounces, but it's very, very light. This is about 1 or 2 ounces. To look at a pound, let's look in my pantry. I have some lentils. This is a pound. If I turn this on its side, it says 500 grams. 500 grams is equal to 1 pound. So here's an ounce, very light. Here's a pound. Now, how heavy is 1 ton? So let's go out here and let's look at my fancy green car, shall we? Here is my husband's car. Pretty big, right? You think you could pick that up? Well, actually, this car is about 2 tons. But you can see how heavy this is. It's way heavier than that little hair clip that's 1 ounce, and way heavier than the pound of lentils. This is about 2 tons right here. So you can see just how heavy each item is. Now, let's go back and let's look at some of the work you're going to see today. And as we go back to our work, let's say hello to Ranger. Say hi, Ranger. He is not as heavy as a car. He's not a ton. But how many pounds would he be? Any guesses? He's a lot of pounds. He's a lot of these. He's about 90 of these. 90 pounds. You're a fat dog. All right, let's look at today's work, shall we? So, let's look at what you're going to look at today, which is 5 tons is about how many, remember LB means pound. 5 tons equals how many pounds? So here's your cheat sheet. All right, so we're looking tons to pounds. So here is the formula we want to use. All right, so it says 5 tons. 5 tons equals how many pounds? I'm going to put a 5 over tons. And then I cross multiply. So 5 times 2,000 divided by 1 equals a whole lot. 10,000 pounds. 5 tons is equal to 10,000 pounds. 1 ton is equal to 2,000 of these. 5 tons is working to 10,000 of these. Let's look at number 8. This one talks about ounces to pounds. Ounces to pounds. So I have, let's see, it says 192 ounces. I'm going to put 192 over here because remember it says ounces. So I'm going to put it over where it says ounces. And now I just cross multiply. 1 times 192 is 192 divided by 16 equals 12. So 12 pounds equals 192 ounces. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. All right, so I've just done number 5 and number 6. This is your cheat sheet. This one's really easy, much easier than the ones in the past. Good luck.